Hello everyone, welcome to day 5 of OET Learnuary. My name's Sona and I'm a premium preparation provider of the OET. If you don't know what's going on with Learnuary, well, we're going to be producing a new OET short lesson for you every single day in February so you can learn new tips, learn new tricks, learn pronunciation, learn some vocabulary and upgrade some of your skills. So that's why we're changing February into OET Learnuary. So today's lesson is all about the writing part of the test, and we're going to be looking at how to end a letter. A few days ago we looked at how to start, so if you don't know how to do that, go back and check our previous video, but if you do and you want to see the next bit, have a look at how you end. So of course you have your opening salutation, then you have your body paragraph, probably another body paragraph with your closing request. So you're saying again what you'd like the reader to do. And then you have your closing line and you sign off. And that's what we're going to focus on now, the closing line. Can you complete the gaps for me? We've got 2 closing lines here. Have a go. And here's another one for you. Okay, so you could say, please feel free to get in touch if you have any questions, to get in touch. Or if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to let me know. So what you'll notice here is that they both have if, but in this one, the if begins. So we have one clause, we need our comma, and then we have our second clause, whereas this time the if comes in the middle, so there's no comma here. The last one was, I would be happy to answer any further enquiries. Now, you don't use all 3, you pick one of them. And in this part, it's actually okay to learn these by heart. Please don't do that for the body paragraphs. You just can't do that because every case is going to be different. But for the endings, pick one of these options, learn it, and then put it into your test when you're writing it. So what about signing off then? Well, can you complete these gaps? So let's imagine you start off with Dear Miss Smithson. We have to end with yours sincerely. And then you don't write your name, you just say doctor, nurse, pharmacist, vet, whatever it happens to be. But what about if it's just dear nurse? How do you end it if you don't know the person's name? Dear nurse, dear doctor, dear sir, dear madam. How do you end if you don't know the person's name? You have to say yours faithfully. And these are just standard ways of ending a letter. If you know their name, yours sincerely. If you don't know their name, yours faithfully. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you tomorrow for another OET Learnuary challenge lesson. See you then. Bye bye.